Alright, today's May 7th, and we're back at it again. I'm doing some small stuff right now. I'm trying to get the car ready for paint, and some things that I need to put on that would be in the way of the fenders. So some parts down in here I've got to put on, and some other stuff to look at before I permanently put on the fender. So I'll probably end up taking the fenders back off again, and then from there put some stuff in. So I've got the e-brake cable, probably the heater core cover and the fan, and then there's a part in here, which is this right here, some type of splash guard of some sort. But anyway, that goes down. It goes down right in here. I think it's like that. Yeah. So it's a splash guard. It goes right down in there. And then I've got to put that on before the fender does, because it attaches to this bracket here, that blue tape down there, and attaches to that, bolts to it. So I'm going to take this apart. There's one staple in it right here that's got to come off. I think I have some staples I can use, so we'll try to use the same one. It doesn't break on me. And then get this clip off here. And then about have a new one of these that's torn. All right, so I got that weather stripping at the firewall. It goes right here, that I explained earlier. All cleaned up and ready to assemble. So here's the old one, and so it was ripping pretty bad right there. I'll hold on to it, and then here's the new one. So it has these extra holes in here for it. I don't know why. Mine just had one staple in it. And then it's a kit. Comes with staples. And then here's the flaps, the fender flap stuff. So it came with a kit. And then here's my bracket and the clip. It's painted, ready to go. So I'll put that stuff back together and then get that installed, and then I'll work on the e-brake cable that goes into here. That way I can get everything that's in this area here done, and then put the fender back on. So I had to take the fender off to get all that crap back on there. So, but in progress.